Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is DEFI again. Welcome to my channel. You guys, DeFi staking platform is here. If you know T2X, well, T2X has got a competitor. It is called DeFi staking platform. Guys, this thing is just new. It has just come up and auction ends in around 20 hours. I've so far bought some tokens. All you have to do is just click on auction lobby and buy some tokens. So I've so far bought some tokens worth 10k worth of Ethereum as we wait for the staking to begin. So guys, come and buy some tokens here. Staking will begin as soon as the clock ends. Don't sleep on this, don't pass on this DeFi staking platform, guys. So all we have to do now, we can't stake because it is just new. It has just come out. Just have to click on auction lobby and we shall be buying or staking that when the time comes. So I'm so excited about this, and there is a link. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of the video. Remember, your referrals earn a 5% minted DSP token. So use my link, you'll get a 5% on your purchases. So guys, my link is in the description of the video. Click on it and click on it. After you come on the auction lobby here, you enter the auction and buy some token. So that's how it is gonna be done. Guys, don't pass on this. I've so far bought my tokens worth 10k and I'm gonna start stacking when the time comes. That's all I have for this in this short video. I'll see you in another video.